Good morning. I'm here today to talk to you about our group project. Our group project is Shoe Store Inventory Management System. This group project is under course CSC 126, Fundamental of Algorithm and Computer Problem Solving, CSC 1101A. This is the summary of our Shoe Store Inventory Management System. The existing inventory management system often lack efficiency, resulting in mishandling the omission of crucial information. Our project is titled the Shoe Store Inventory Management System, designed to streamline the management of shoe store inventory. This system simplifies and enhances the tracking, organization, and processing of stock and customer order. It optimizes the shoe store performance by generating dynamic report, providing comprehensive insight into various aspects such as sales and marketing.
This shoe store inventory management system has six objectives. The first objective is to record and keep tracks of a shoe store's inventory. The second objective is to calculate the budget to purchase products. The third is to track the condition of products. The fourth is to record total sales from the current stock. The fifth is to check the highest and lowest product stock after purchases are made. And the last one is to calculate expected income from the sales.
For analyzation of our project, let me explain. We have analyzed a bit of our project and successfully listed an IPO table. For input, we have brand, type, and choice to ask from user as we use it through our system. It will maybe have a multiple names or we should call it variables later in a coding. For process, we figured that as a store management system, we should have total out the stocks and pricing. It will go through some conditions first before going through the process to differentiate the products. Last but not least, for output, the program will display out in appropriate way all the calculation from the process according to the way of our program.
The idea from flowchart. We have created the main flowchart, which is the plan before we start make a complete program. We call many functions in one main function. Based on that, each function will have a different process in the sub-function body. We also make some choice for user to enter a certain integer or character to go through the process that user wish to do.
Next is the source code. There are two constant declaration, 12 function declaration, and 8 global variable declaration. First, we will start with see out our project title, Shoe Store Inventory Management. Then see out 1, record the data information shoes. 2, calculate total price shoes to purchase. 3, record the good condition shoes. And 4, quit the program. Then user will enter, we choose the code to continue the program or not. Then we set the condition. If choice equal to 1, then we use loop for shoes type and location array. Then we use another loop to control the shoes brand array. In that loop, user will enter the quantity of the shoes. Close the loop, then display the total shoes according to their type of shoes. In that loop, we also see out the location of these shoes to display the location of the stock. Close the loop, then see out total shoes to display the total shoes for all brands and types.
The program then will ask the user whether they have some mistakes during keying the info in a program or not. If yes, the program will loop the process all over again within the choice is 1. If the choice is 2, the program will execute the budget price function. If the choice is 3, the program will execute the good condition shoes function. Otherwise, the program will be terminated. After the if-else structure, the program will ask the user whether they want to continue the program or not. The program will test the condition, and if it true, it will loop all over again starting at the menu. If not, the program will be terminated. For function definition total shoes that receive two parameters, it will display the total shoes that have been saved in an array. Next, all shoes function that receive only one parameter, we set total equal to 0 to do the process of total out the quantity of shoes that have been saved in an array, the value of total return. Okay, for input sales function, we have declared it as void that have two passing parameters. The function will ask the current stock that will save in an array. Then we call another three functions into this input sales function. The functions end here. We go to the next function, which we declare as void total shoe sale that receive two parameters from main function. We call two functions here, which is input stocks and input sales function. The functions ends here. Input sales function receive also two parameters that will display the initial stocks the input get from the main function that have been saved in an array.
In this part of the system, we declared void as calculate sales stocks, which will display the shoe sales and uses array to change the value of input. Next, we have declared void as expected income, which is to calculate the income by the price range according to the brand and types of shoes. We change the price according to the budget price function, and the price range is according to their brands and type of shoes. Then we calculate according to the average price of shoes. In the slides, the process to save the output can be seen, and the display for this part of the program are shown. In this part, we declared void as budget price. We also displayed the code for the shoes brand to make it easier for users. Then we continue with the calculation of the total budget. Next, we declared void as price shoes, which is the passing parameters from the budget price function. Here, we will test the brand input condition. We also display the code and prices for each type of shoes. We determine the price for each type, and the system will calculate the total price.
Function with good condition shoes. In this condition, we will have integer and char. After that, which will display option from Nike, Adidas, Skechers, Puma, and total out the shoes. Then we will ask to enter the brand of the shoes, which is code. Then you will have if brand 1, then will ask will display the either Converse or loafers or sneakers, and then to choose the shoe type. Then we will ask the shoe, then it will if shoe type A, B or C, or else it will display invalid input. Function range sales shoes and call integer s and string t. Here we have integer max equals 0 and minimum 999999. These to initialize the max and minimum to compare between the input given. We have string highest and lowest, and we have for here, and if to here we will set the input into max according to this condition. Highest is set to the particular type of shoes, and if we also have to set the input into min according to the condition, and lowest is set to the particular type of shoes. Then we display the highest product stock, sales, and type of shoes.
These are our sample output from our system.
In conclusion, this system that I created managed to achieve all of the objectives, which mean it is able to solve the issue of the old system. This system will also reduce the maintenance and operating costs of the store because less human resources are needed, and the system only needs services occasionally. Moreover, the system operates in a user-friendly way and simple enough for everyone to understand. Not to mention that the system's ability to adapt to the society demands and market trend ensure the store to a promising future and success.